Parliament of Jubaland, the ministers.
Absolutely.
What was about your visit and what have you discussed about it?
Okay, so I'm the UNICEF Chief of Office based in Mogadishu, but which cover also Jubaland. And of course, as a support of the country, I'm keen to visit Jubaland quite often, as much as possible. And yesterday and the day before yesterday, I was invited by the Ministry of Health and by the authorities to visit the services that UNICEF develop through local partners and with the support and the leadership of the ministries of Jubaland. So I was keen enough yesterday to visit, and today I think 7 different services, and I was glad to see that those services are reaching out women and children of Puntland. From Jubaland, which is extremely pleased. Of course, there are still a lot of things to improve, but we have an open and permanent dialogue with the authorities here in Jubaland. And based on this dialogue, I think in the coming days, weeks, the UNICEF staff will work out to improve the quality of the services, to expand the services, not only in quality, but also in quantity to serve the districts that are not covered yet now. We also, I'm glad to report that the cholera outbreak that was spreading around Jubaland is more or less under control, or at least decreasing, thanks to the support that UNICEF was provided through the Ministry of Health of Jubaland. So I think it was a very successful mission. I was not alone. I was with 7 colleagues from UNICEF, and all of them have made commitment to support the line ministries of Jubaland.
Okay, my next question is the IDP camps you visited yesterday. They are children who do not have access to education. What is the role of UNICEF to help those children in the IDPs in Kismaayo?
Yeah, as I mentioned several times during my visit, education is a priority. And when I say education is both access and equity, it means every children should have access to education, including the IDPs. And yesterday I was also pleased to visit a temporary learning facilities, and we have I think 16 like this in the Kismaayo district. So this is what we do. We open temporary school with teacher, with commitment, with supply, and I've visited and I've seen dozens of children attending and keen to become themselves teachers. So I think this is a process. Of course, we don't reach out all children yet, but we are in the process with a good tool.
Okay, so my last question. Kismaayo is the interim headquarters of Jubaland. Are you planning to open UNICEF office here in Kismaayo?
No. We have a permanent presence in Jubaland. We have people working in Gedo region. We have people coming every week, every day in Kismaayo, and as much as we can access other places like Doble in Jubaland. But we don't have, as other UN agencies, the plan to open an office before the new country program, which is likely to take place in 2018. But for the time being, we will not have an office. We don't have an office, and I'm sorry for that. But we have a presence, and we will be supporting the authorities as much as we could through regular visit and permanent visit to Kismaayo.
Thank you.